Hi guys. In life there is nobody who was born rich and there is nobody who was born poor. So today I'm here to introduce Forex trading to you, Forsage and Bitcoin investments. So in Forex guys, I know and I've heard that a lot of people are saying Forex is a scam. But have you ever tried to acquire right information in order for you to be a consistent trader? Remember guys, in everything that you do for a first time, you are bound to fail. But in life, we fail forward. And in life, you must acquire right information before you start or before you engage into something. So today, we are here to assist you. So in Forsage guys, it's all about smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain. So on Forsage, how does it work really? It all works by recruiting or not recruiting. By the way, it's all about networking. So it's either you recruit or you don't recruit, you still get paid. This point, guys, is your future. It's your choice. As nobody else was born rich and there's nobody else who was born poor. So we all do choices accordingly. So now, here is Bitcoin as it cheated roughly to 10,000 USD. So guys, have you ever took a step on investing on Bitcoin before, as it started in 2009? If it's no, now it's time for you guys to invest on cryptocurrencies, because now you can see that a lot of fiat currencies are losing value. So guys, if you can check now, don't you think that fiat money is getting banned out? So guys, this is time for you. So now I'll share a coin that's gonna boom now in 2020 up to 2021. I'll tell you for free. It is Cardano. Cardano today is weighing 0.9 USD cents. So guys, nobody was born rich and nobody was born poor. As you see today, during this pandemic, a lot of companies have been shut down and a lot of people already lost their jobs. So who is next? It might be you. Who knows? Or it might be your family member, or it might be your cousin or somebody else around you. So guys, now it is a step for you to do a right future. Please think about your kids there at home. Invest for your kids, invest for your future, and invest for everybody else who's in the family. Guys, there is time, because you don't know who is next.